This comes directly from the Sony website. It's the operation manual for the CX405. This is page 12. Down below, I will leave a link to the entire manual. Open the cover and insert the memory card until it clicks. Let's open the door. You have to open this as well. This is an HDMI out, so it definitely doesn't go there, and it's a little hard to see. But this right here is not a slot. It looks like it is. There's actually a piece of plastic. I'm hoping by doing this you'll eventually be able to see what I'm talking about. The card itself goes right here with the writing up. The little prongs that catch the electricity go down. So you just take it, get him in there straight till he clicked. We can now record. Even though I've taken the SD card in and out multiple times, meaning I took him out, put him back in, I've never actually had a problem. But if you do have something really important on that card, I suggest you take the battery out first to be on the safe side. If you don't know how to do that, click on the suggested video now showing. This is Ron from Fixing Stuff in Black and White, signing off.